Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is day 30 of 31 days of July Watercolor Month. We are almost to the end of the series, and today I thought to paint this very easy and beautiful ink and wash flower card. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Okay, so for this flower, we are first going to make the center petal using a pencil, and this is a 300 GSM watercolor paper. And we are going to lightly sketch the first petal, which is going to be a very ziggly petal from the top. Very simple, just like a normal petal. So this flower is tilting towards this side, so I made a petal this way. And now we have a map where the flower is going to go. So I'm going to start from somewhere here and add more petals, very ziggled, thin or thick, any of those kinds. So I'm just going to add petals around the first one. And then a petal at the bottom. Here I'm going to add the little stem coming from here. If you want, you can use a kneaded eraser to lighten the sketch a little bit. So this picks the extra lead from the drawing. So I'm using a 0.5 liner and then start inking the lines of the flower. Make sure to not make the lines very symmetrical. Make them very ziggled like this. Like that. And now we are going to just add some shadows with the fine liner. So maybe you can add some lines in the petals to show some delicacy and the movement. If you want, you can add the center stamens like this with some little dots. So basically some lines and then some dots at the end. Like that. And then you can just do some darkness near the stem. Before the painting, you can use your eraser to completely erase all the pencil lines. For the painting, I'm going to use these colors. It's a red, yellow, pink and green, and we are going to paint it very loosely. So I'm going to start with this yellow first, and I'm going to start with the center petal. And I'm not going to cover the whole petal completely because we are painting loose, and I'm just going to spread some color outwards like that. And then on the outer petals, I'm going to start adding red a little bit. and then pink, and then I'm just going to wash my brush and just spread all of those colors. And then I'm also going to use a little bit of orange. And I'm going to use this green. And with this, we are done with this very easy and beautiful ink and wash flower card. It's very easy and quick to do. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video with day 31 of July Watercolor Month. And till then, take care. Bye-bye.